Is Tesla's empire crumbling? In 2025, the company faces its harshest test yet. Once Wall Street's darling, Tesla now struggles under intense scrutiny and a market losing faith. By June, Tesla's market cap had plunged by nearly $200 billion, with a single day in early June erasing $152 billion, its worst loss ever. Elon Musk's fortune dropped $34 billion in hours, and Tesla's value slipped below the trillion-dollar mark for the first time in years. The stock was down 41% from its December 2024 peak, and year-to-date, it had fallen 30%, while the S&P 500 eked out a small gain. Tesla, once a market leader, had become a drag on the index. The June crash wasn't an isolated event, it was the latest in a series of sharp declines. Investor sentiment had turned from bullish optimism to deep unease. The company's aura of invincibility was gone, replaced by doubts about its future. Every move, every tweet, every number was now under a microscope. The narrative of endless growth had collided with a harsh new reality. Tesla's stumble sent shockwaves through the tech world, raising urgent questions about what comes next. Tesla's troubles weren't just financial, they were political. A public feud erupted between Elon Musk and President Trump over a Republican budget that slashed federal EV tax credits. These credits had made Teslas more affordable for years. Losing them threatened demand and profitability. Musk lashed out on X, warning that Trump's policies could trigger a recession and directly harm Tesla. The spat was especially striking given Musk's previous financial support for Trump and other Republicans. Trump fired back, calling Musk crazy and defending the bill as a win for traditional industries. Headlines exploded with the drama, but the real impact was on Tesla's bottom line. Without federal incentives, Teslas would cost more, pricing out many buyers. For a company still reliant on these credits, the threat was existential. The fight wasn't just about politics, it was about survival in the US market. As the credits vanished, so did a key pillar of Tesla's growth. The political storm left Tesla more vulnerable than ever. While Tesla faltered, Chinese giant BYD surged ahead. In 2025, BYD outsold Tesla by 22% in global EV deliveries, a result of years of strategic growth and aggressive pricing. BYD's cars were not only cheaper, but increasingly matched Tesla in technology. This made them irresistible in price-sensitive markets across Asia and Europe. Tesla's premium image was no longer enough, its market share was slipping. BYD's latest price cuts intensified the global EV price war, squeezing Tesla's margins even further. Unlike Tesla, BYD's integrated battery supply chain gave it a cost advantage. The competition from BYD and other Chinese automakers became Tesla's biggest long-term threat. Tesla could no longer rely on innovation alone, it had to fight for every sale. The global EV landscape had shifted, and Tesla's dominance was no longer assured. Every market, every customer, was now a battleground. The age of easy wins for Tesla was over. Tesla's full self-driving dreams also hit a wall in 2025. Despite years of hype, FSD remained stuck at level 2 or 3, far from true autonomy. Meanwhile, Waymo's robotaxis reached level 4, operating driverless in select cities. Regulators and the public grew skeptical of Tesla's promises, while Waymo's cautious, sensor-rich approach won approval. At the same time, Elon Musk's erratic behavior on X fueled backlash. His public feud with Trump and inflammatory posts sparked boycott movements and alienated consumers. Tesla's brand, once synonymous with innovation, was now tainted by controversy. The line between Musk the visionary and Musk the liability blurred dangerously. Negative sentiment began to impact sales and investor confidence. For a company built on brand allure, this reputational damage was severe. Tesla faced not just technical challenges, but a crisis of public trust. The company's future now depended on more than just technology, it needed to repair its image. Amid the chaos, Tesla pinned its hopes on one event, the Austin Robotaxi launch in June 2025. This was more than a product, it was a potential turning point. Success could validate Tesla's FSD tech, restore confidence, and open new revenue streams. Failure, however, would deepen the crisis and further erode trust. The stakes were enormous. A flawless launch could silence critics, but any misstep could send the stock tumbling again. Investors and analysts watched anxiously, questioning if Tesla was truly ready. The pressure on Musk and the Austin team was immense. 2025 had become a make-or-break year for Tesla. The company faced a perfect storm: market collapse, political threats, fierce competition, lagging autonomy, and a damaged brand. The robotaxi launch was a high-stakes gamble, redemption or ruin. How Tesla navigated these challenges would define its future. The world watched, waiting to see if the empire could rise again.